wonder what's keeping my true love tonight. I wonder what's keeping you out of my sight. I wonder if you know all the pain I endure, and yet you stay from me this night. I'm not sure. Oh love, are you coming your own cause to advance? Or yet are you waiting a far, far better chance? Are you coming to tell me you've a new love in store? Are you coming to tell me you love me no more? No, I'm not coming my own cause to advance, nor yet am I waiting a far, far better chance. I am coming to tell you I've a new love in store. I am coming to tell you I love you no more. I can love strong, and I can love an old love till the new love comes on. I only said I loved you for to give your heart ease, and when I'm not with you, I love whom I please. In my pocket and pain in my heart, for I can't love an old love with too many sweethearts. You're my first and only false love, but it's lately I knew the fonder I loved you, the falser you'd prove. Spring grass grows the sweetest, spring water runs clear. I'm sorry I'm tormented by the love of my false dear. Your love, it flies as lightly as the dew on the thorn that descends in the evening, away with the dawn. I wonder what's keeping my true love tonight. I wonder what is keeping you out of my sight. I wonder if you know all the pain I endure, and yet you stay from me this night. I'm not sure.